Assalamu alaikum. Let's discuss today about cybercrime and what is the nature of cybercrime. In simple word, cybercrime is a crime which is committed by a netizen. Okay, like citizen, all netizens are not good. Some of them have guilty mind. As a result, cybercrime is committed by such a guilty mind netizen. They commit such a crime for financial gain. It's a crime which is committed by using computing device through internet. Okay, it may be committed against individual or against property, against organization, against society, even against government also. Example of cybercrimes are email bombing, hacking, webjacking, cyber terrorism, stealing money from any online account, credit card, etc. Okay. Now let's see about the nature of cybercrime. From the definition, we can perceive the nature of cybercrime. Cybercrime is committed by a netizen. It is committed through computer device. It is committed by using internet, and it creates jurisdictional confusion because internet is boundaryless, borderless. A citizen of Pakistan may commit crime against Bangladesh from India. Now it's create territorial confusion. Sometimes a criminal may commit cybercrimes hiding his location, IP address. It also creates difficulty during trial because cyber attackers are very aware about destroying online evidence. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.